first you're gonna need canvas for this, and then I just cut a little piece off because I'm going to be gluing it behind the canvas to fix the hole. Next, you're going to need a glue gun. Alright, and I'm showing you guys the canvas right here. This is not my work actually. This is my brother's painting, and he asked me to fix it for him. So I'm getting the piece of canvas ready to glue right now. I'm just cutting it smaller. Okay, so just put the glue all around the piece of cloth. And I messed up when I did this. Do not do what I did. I put too much glue on that one side and it ended up coming on the other side of the canvas. So just make sure you don't do that. Make sure you put the outer edges on the outside of the cut. And just press down and hold it tightly so that it sticks on the canvas. Now wait until the glue is dried for the next step. Next you're going to need gesso, and just get a brush and apply gesso to the front so that it matches the canvas, if that makes any sense. I'm just trying to get a flat texture. After you apply the first layer of gesso, wait until it dries and keep reapplying gesso until you get it. So keep in mind that it's not perfect, doesn't look perfect like the canvas, but once you paint it, you can add some stuff to it and it will cover it up, it will look fine. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys would like to see me tackle next.